endeavor to instill in each student the love of learning. We aim to nurture the different dimensions of intelligence of each student while developing the following 21st century skills.
This was the progress. And years go by, nakaka-produce na po tayo ng mga passers and they are all in the service.
Sa akin pong experience, isa lang po ang naging gabay ko sa buhay. Ito po ang takot ko sa aking magulang, ang respeto ko sa aking magulang, at ang pagmamahal ko sa aking mga magulang. Nung ako po'y nakatapos ng pag-aaral, wala po akong hinangad, kundi mapaglingkuran ko ang magulang ko. Masuklian ko po sa kanila ang hirap na dinanas nila para lang po ako maigapang.
Pangarap ko to see you, to pass the board exam, and finally, makita ko kayo naka-uniform ng PNP.
Let us celebrate our diversity and draw strength from it. For it is through our varied experience and perspective that we enrich our understanding and enhance our resilience. Thank you, and once again, a very warm welcome to each and every one of you to our Criminology Week celebration.
Respeto at paglingkuran nyo ang nalalabing oras ng inyong mga magulang. Sila ang gumabay sa inyo, sila ang naghirap para sa inyo. It is about time na gantihan ninyo sila ng higit pa sa ginawa nila sa inyo.
Yeah. Siege. Riley. Taz. Yeah. Set me free and give me death, there ain't no other choices. When I lay down to go to sleep, I keep on hearing voices. Little whispers in my head, man, is you fake or loyal? Why no water, that designer, baby, pick your poison. These little demons living underneath my bed, creeping. Know the real monster lives above them all, sleeping. That subtle breathing in your closet every single evening. Thought you never see me again, looks can be deceiving. When they hear the sound of the drum, they'll be saying, oh Lord, here they come. Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come. I used to think that people die because they wicked. Nowadays people wanna see you dead because you gifted. Been ready for my tomb since I came up out the womb. So no matter what, I'm coming back and paying you a visit. Saw it coming, I predicted, but y'all wouldn't listen. No, you can't protect your riches if you never burn bridges. Flip pages, went places, made changes, still dangerous. Now I'm back, altercation, hold still, I make it painless. How it feel, baby? When you say you love me, is it real, baby? Full speed, both hands on the wheel, baby. Young Taz coming from the Mobile, baby. You know the drill, baby. Yeah. And when you hear the sound of the drum, we'll be saying, here we come. Yeah, here we come.